My name is Marcy. I own the tutoring company Regal Tutors, and today I'm going to teach you how to multiply by negative numbers.
Cut all these little squares out of paper, and the black side is the negative side and the white side is going to be the positive. And whenever you multiply by a negative number, you want to go ahead and flip the card over. Let's do a positive times a positive for practice. So if you have 3 times 2, that means you have 3 positives, so that's the white side. And then you have 2 groups of them. So 3 times 2 is a positive 6. Now we have negative 3 times 2. So I'm going to use the dark side of my tiles, which is the negative side. And I have 3 negatives, and there's 2 groups of 3 negatives. As you can see, negative 3 times 2 is a negative 6. Let's try negative 3 times negative 2. So I have negative 3. So I'm using my dark side of my tiles, and there's 2 groups of negative 3. But this right here means that I need to flip them. As you can see, a negative 3 times a negative 2 equals a positive 6. Let's try a positive 3 times a negative 2. So positive 3 means I'm going to use the white side of my tiles. So there's 3, and I need 2 groups of them. And see how this is a negative sign? And that means I have to flip it when I do my groups. As you can see, 3 times a negative 2 equals a negative 6.
If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it. Also, if you need a tutor, you can schedule me by going to regaltutors.com. I do both in-person and virtual tutoring.